Most Excel trend charts are hard to read. The lines are too thick, the axis is messy, and the overall formatting hides the real trend. Today I'll show you how to transform this simple revenue dataset into clean, professional trend charts. Column charts are better when you want to compare months directly. Line charts are best for showing trends, seasonality, and direction. And if you want to show the structure of revenue inside a month, like product A, B, and C, use a stacked bar chart. With this dataset, the trend immediately becomes clearer when we switch total revenue from columns to a line. The time axis must be consistent. Use short months labels, left to right order, and remove unnecessary borders or formatting. Even this small change improves readability. Do not forget to use consistent font over all the axes, chart title, and table. You can use your corporate font. This is just the one I like. We should also add some title and left align it because it is easier for the users to read. We will use the same font, just a larger size and bold formatting. Now I will add my moving average data for January and February. We can highlight our columns G and H and just copy-paste them into the graph. You can also add a legend if it will be consistent through your whole dashboard. Do not forget to also left align it. I will also change the names to something more understandable. So Series 1 will be our total revenue for this year, so 2025. Series 2 is our moving average 3, which means for the 3 past months, the average. And the third series is our last year revenue, so 2024. The main metric should stand out. Here, total revenue is the main line. Last year's revenue acts as a context, so it should be gray. The moving average smooths seasonal noise and works well as a subtitle dotted trend line. Turn off smoothing. Excel creates fake points that aren't in your data. Use selective labels. Usually the last data point is enough. We can also make the graph a little bit bigger so it's easy to maneuver. And then make the distance between the line chart and the overall border greater so then we can see text better. So just click on the line and then select the last point. We have to repeat it 3 times for each line. Add value and series name. Next step is to right align them so it's easier to read and also sort them accordingly. Direct labeling is clearer than using a legend, especially if you only have one graph. The viewer immediately knows which line is which. A great idea is also to color format the text so it matches the line. So in our case, this green for the total revenue, gray for the last year, and the moving average is a light green. A 16:9 chart ratio looks clean and professional. Now we can also delete our legend. Light grid lines help guide the eye without overwhelming the chart. You can make either the color deeper and the line narrower, or make the line wider but the color lighter. I would also recommend formatting your axis if you have tens of thousands in revenue to just K, because it's easier to read. You can also add the subtitle, but maybe gray out it a little bit. And do not forget to align everything. So in this case, left align, so it matches the title, but also the numbers. And double check that there is no shape fill and no shape outline. And now that's it! With just a few simple formatting changes, your trend charts become easier to read and much more professional. In the next video, I'll show you how to handle multiple product categories and avoid the spaghetti chart problem. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more Excel tutorials.